Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the second iPhone 12 Pro Max that I ordered. This is the 512GB gold version. This is a gift for my wife. This one was actually ordered through Amazon, and initially all of their parcels actually got lost. They were sent through Hermes, hence why this is such a late video. But without wasting any more time, let's get into the unboxing. So as with all of the other ones, you have this sort of embossed, raised image of the actual iPhone on the box. On the right hand side, you literally just say it's iPhone. Bottom it says, well, you have the Apple logo. On the left hand side, iPhone again, and at the top once again. And as you can see, this is iPhone 12 Pro Max. Just there you can see the iPhone 12 Pro Max Gold, and it's 512GB. So first up, we're presented with the actual phone itself. And okay, so in person, this gold is a lot more muted compared to some of the images. But as I pointed out in the Pacific Blue unboxing, the front of the phone, you do actually get some of the band visible, and because it is so reflective, you are obviously getting a bit of a gleam from the actual band itself. Now, fingerprint wise, I don't think it's as bad as the darker colours. That's understandable. Obviously the lighter colours tend to hide fingerprints and marks and things like that a bit better. I actually really like this gold colour. The back itself it's almost like an off-white, a beigey kind of colour. Just take a look at the camera lenses. And one thing that I did actually notice during when I was watching back my initial video was that people have mentioned that it's a sort of 2 or 3 part raised system. It's actually slightly more than that, because if you take a look at it, what you actually have is you have an extra little black ring around each camera lens. So that is actually raised slightly above the lens itself, above the glass. Then you have this metal ring which is color coded to the phone. Then you have this bump, and then obviously you have the actual layer of the phone itself. So obviously looking at it from that perspective, you can make out a bit better in terms of how raised the camera bump is. Now for me personally, I've actually been using my 12 Pro Max caseless whenever I'm at home. Just the grip of it and everything about it it's made me want to use it, and also finally to be able to actually see the bezels, because that was one thing that I did notice whilst actually using it caseless, that whenever you put any type of case on, even if you've put on the thinnest case you can find, it still adds a bit of a border around the actual screen. So as with all the other ones, the only thing you get in the box is a little bit of paperwork and the USB-C to lightning cable. So with that, just move that off to the side. What I'll do is, as with my unboxing, what I'll do is first thing I'll do is get a screen protector installed, and then we'll come back and we'll get it booted up. Okay, so just before I do put the screen protector on, we can't not have the sizzle sound. So I've angled the microphone towards the camera. Okay, so here we are back with the screen protector installed. Got a bit of a bubble in the middle, but I'll take care of that in due time. One thing I did notice is this one also has a strip at the bottom, so I think this could just be a defective batch of screen protectors. But yeah, in terms of the phone itself, first impressions, even though I don't like using gold phones, out of all of the colours that I've seen so far, I think the gold is actually my favourite, and I'm kind of jealous that this isn't my phone. Obviously I've already got the Pacific Blue Pro set up, so that one will be my phone and this one will be for my wife, but it's in person, this is even more stunning than what it looks like in the photos. And what I'll do is I'll just quickly get some iPhone cases and just chuck them on, just to give you an idea in terms of how the ring actually looks on this phone compared to how it used to look on my Pro Max, where you don't really get much of a reflection on the border itself. Okay, so here we have a couple of cases. What I'll do is I'll try the blue one first, because I'm thinking that the red will actually go a lot better. Let's get that out of you with this phone. So I just want to see how the blue actually looks. So these are replica MagSafe cases, MagSafe silicone cases, and as you can see from the front, you can see the little bit of the gold popping through, so you actually get some of the color. This one's not too bad. This is a more muted type of look. This is something that I'd probably rock myself if I was to have the gold phone, whereas I think for my wife, because women can generally get away with having more bold colors. If I can get it out without dropping it, just chuck that to a side, and we'll take a look at the red. And I think this is probably the one that I'll end up leaving on there until I get some more cases. I do actually have some supposed one-for-one replicas of the MagSafe cases with magnets and everything. So once they arrive, we'll take a look. But yeah, so here is the look of the gold and the red. This, as I said, even in my initial unboxing and before the phones even came, because you get that little bit of the gold popping through, I think with the red and the gold, it's just a very nice combination, and it just suits it really well. So yeah, I mean that is a very nice look. So my wife actually had the XS Max that she's been using for a couple of years now, so obviously she's used to that sort of form factor anyway. This one is slightly bigger, but because she's been using quite chunky cases, the fact that this will probably fit in the same sort of footprint as what she's used to at the moment, whilst being obviously a much bigger screen. I think that's all just a bonus. But yeah, that is the unboxing and first look. I will have a review video coming for the 12 Pro Max. I've basically wanted to try it out for as long as possible, just to give a better idea in terms of everything about it, the cameras, battery life, all that kind of stuff. So if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, that way you won't miss out on any videos I upload. And other than that, thanks very much for watching.